Hello friends, welcome to civil engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with design of structure in the topic of limit state of design of steel components. So the first question, high strength bolt HSFG is used for option A shear connection, option B slip resistance connection only, option C bearing type connection only, option D both slip resistant and bearing type connections. So the correct answer is option D, both slip resistance and bearing type connection. So next question, advantage of HSFG bolts over bearing types of bolt is option A, bolt are subjected to shearing and bearing stresses, option B, high strength fatigue, option C, low static strength, option D, joints are not rigid. The correct answer is option B, high strength fatigue. Next question, according to IS 800 2007, minimum pitch distance for rivet is option A 2 into nominal diameter of the fastener, option B 3 into nominal diameter of the fastener, option C 2.5 into nominal diameter of the fastener, option D 1.5 into nominal diameter of the fastener. So the correct answer is option C 2.5 into nominal diameter of the fastener. So next question, maximum pitch distance is option A 16 into thickness of thinner plate, option B 20 into thickness of thinner plate, option C 40 into thickness of thinner plate, option D 32 into thickness of thinner plate. The correct answer is option D 32 into thickness of thinner plate. So next question, minimum edge and end distance for rolled machine frame cut is option A 2 into hole diameter, option B 1.7 into hole diameter, option C 1.5 into hole diameter, option D 1.2 into hole diameter. The correct answer is option C 1.5 into hole diameter. Next question, minimum edge distance and end distance for rolled hand flame cut is option A 1.7 into hole diameter, option B 1.2 into hole diameter, option C 2 into hole diameter, option D 1.5 into hole diameter. The correct answer is option A 1.7 into hole diameter. Next question, the maximum number of bolts of diameter 25 mm that can be accommodated in one row in 200 mm wide flat are option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The correct answer is option B 3. Next question, calculate shear capacity of grade 4.6 and 16 mm diameter for lap joint. Option A 50 kN, option B 40 kN, option C 29 kN, option D 59 kN. The correct answer is option C 29 kN. Next question, what is the value of kb in nominal bearing strength for the bolt of 20 meter 20 mm diameter of grade 4.6? Option A 2, option B 1, option C 0.97, option D 0.5. The correct answer is option D 0.5. Next question, what is the efficiency of joint when strength of bolt per pitch length is 60 kN and the strength of plate per pitch length is 150 kN? Option A 35%, option B 30%, option C 40%, option D 25%. The correct answer is option C 40%. Next question, strength of bolt is option A shear strength of the bolt, option B minimum of shear strength and bearing capacity of bolt, option C maximum of shear strength and bearing capacity of bolt, option D bearing capacity of bolt. The correct answer is option B minimum of shear strength and bearing capacity of bolt. Next question, use of lap joints is not recommended because option A stresses are distributed unevenly, option B eccentricity is eliminated, option C bolt or double shear, option D no binding is produced. So the correct answer is option A stresses are distributed unevenly. So next question, which of the following type of the weld is most suitable for lap joints? Option A fillet weld, option B groove weld, option C plug weld, option D slot weld. The correct answer is option A fillet weld. Next question, groove welds should have dash strength as member they join. Option A same, option B less, option C greater, option D half. The correct answer is option A same. So next question, which of the following parameters control the quality of weld? Option A composition of electrode, option B size of electrode, option C size of metal plate, option D composition of metal plate. The correct answer is option B size of electrode. Next question, why is electrode coated with their flux in sealed metal arc welding? Option A for shiny appearance of electrode, option B to make weld faster, option C to increase the melting of the electrode, option D to protect the electrode. So the correct answer is option D to protect the electrode. So next question, which of the following can be non-low hydrogen process? Option A sealed metal arc welding, option B submerged arc welding, option C gas sealed metal arc welding, option D flux core arc welding. So the correct answer is option A sealed metal arc welding. So next question, why hydrogen not used excessively for welding? Option A increase welding rate, option B decrease welding rate, option C destroy metal plate, option D affect the weld. So the correct answer is option D affect the weld. So next question, which of the following welding process is preferred for weld field application? Option A sealed metal arc welding, option B submerged arc welding, option C gas sealed metal arc welding, option D flux core arc welding. So the correct answer is option A sealed metal arc welding. So next question, hard cracks can be prevented by option A faster cooling, option B non-uniform heating, option C preheating, option D slower cooling. So the correct answer is option D slower cooling. So next question, cold cracks can be prevented by option A uniform heating, option B by use of low hydrogen electrode, option C faster cooling, option D slower cooling. So the correct answer is option B by use of low hydrogen electrode. So next question, the types of welded joints does not depends on option A size of member connected at a joint, option B type of loading, option C area available for welding, option D size of weld. So the correct answer is option D size of weld. So next question, the minimum size of fillet weld should option A not be less than 3 mm, option B not less than 3 mm, option C not less than 2 mm, option D greater than thickness of the thinner pod joint. So the correct answer is option A not be less than 3 mm. So next question, n returns are made, option A equal to twice the size of the weld, option B equal to half the size of the weld, option C equal to the size of the weld, option D equal to thrice the size of the weld. So the correct answer is option A equal to twice the size of the weld. So next question, the strength of tensile member is not influenced by option A length of connection, option B net area of cross section, option C type of fabrication, option D length of plate. So the correct answer is option D length of plate. So next question, which of the following type of tension member is not mainly used in the modern practice? Option A single angles, option B flat bars, option C double angles, option D circular section. So the correct answer is option B flat bars. So next question, staging of holes dash the load carrying capacity of tension member. Option A reduces, option B improves, option C does not affect, option D half. So the correct answer is option B improves. Again we will see in next video. Thank you.